Hello and welcome back to the TMG New Solution YouTube channel. In recent decades, artificial intelligence, AI, has become a significant breakthrough technology of our time. With its learning and intelligent recognition capabilities, AI has brought remarkable progress across various industries. In this video, we will explore the top 10 leading industries that will be heavily impacted by the development of artificial intelligence. Did you know that by 2030, up to 800 million jobs could be lost due to AI-driven automation? Today's video is entirely created using AI tools, and you can find the tool used in the video description below.
The World Economic Forum this week released a study predicting that nearly a quarter of all jobs will be disrupted by AI over the next 5 years. Did you know that by 2030, up to 800 million jobs could be lost due to automation with artificial intelligence? Today, we will explore 11 industries that artificial intelligence will eliminate first. Number 10. Graphic designers. At this current time, we are witnessing a technological revolution. Artificial intelligence is developing rapidly and has created powerful design tools such as midjourney and stable diffusion. This raises an important question: can human graphic designers survive in this world? Artificial intelligence is increasingly understanding aesthetics and has the ability to generate innovative designs. Advanced software applications can create astonishing high-quality designs in an instant. Sophisticated algorithms and the analysis of user preferences, trends, and styles allow them to create unique and impressive graphics. So, can human creativity resist the relentless onslaught of AI-driven design tools? This is a difficult question that only time can answer. However, in this process, we need to look at the unique values that humans bring. Creativity, empathetic thinking, and the ability to generate unique ideas cannot be completely replaced by artificial intelligence. Number 9. Translators and interpreters. Solutions like chatgpt and other advanced language processing software are revolutionizing the translation industry by providing highly accurate real-time translations. The translation tools offered by artificial intelligence harness the power of machine learning and neural networks, enabling them to understand context, idioms, and cultural nuances that were previously reserved for human translators. This facilitates seamless communication across different languages, breaking language barriers like never before. As these technologies continue to improve, human translators and interpreters may find their skills becoming less important. While there will always be a demand for specialized or sensitive exclusive translation services, the need for general translation services may decrease. How can translators adapt to maintain their relevance in a world where artificial intelligence can easily communicate in any language? The future of this industry hangs in the balance as we witness this language revolution unfold. Number 8. Manufacturing and assembly line jobs. AI-equipped robots are revolutionizing the production floor with their accuracy, speed, and efficiency. These intelligent machines can perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention, replacing human workers. They operate tirelessly, ensuring stable output and minimizing errors. AI is also optimizing manufacturing processes through predictive maintenance and inventory management. However, this automation poses challenges for millions of workers who may face unemployment and uncertainty. The focus now is on finding new opportunities for them in an automated world and equipping them with the skills to adapt and thrive. Number 7. Data entry and data processing. In the era where data is the new oil, businesses are using advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to process, analyze, and extract valuable information from large volumes of data at unprecedented speeds. Machine learning algorithms and optical character recognition (OCR) technology have made accurate digitization of handwritten or printed text feasible, automating tasks that previously required manual labor. Data analysis tools powered by AI can handle massive datasets, identify patterns and trends that human analysts would take much longer to uncover. The challenge ahead is to ensure that these workers can transition into new roles that leverage their expertise and harness the power of artificial intelligence. Number 6. Customer service and support. As businesses strive to deliver effective and personalized customer experiences, they are employing artificial intelligence-powered virtual assistants and chatbots to handle the increasing volume of requests. These intelligent systems can understand natural language, analyze customer data, and provide instant solutions to common issues. As AI becomes more adept at handling complex requests and even empathizing with customer emotions, the demand for human employees may decrease. This potential shift may compel many support representatives to seek new career paths or adapt their skills in an AI-driven world. Number 5. Editors and copy editors. As language processing algorithms advance, AI-powered tools can detect grammar and syntax errors, suggest style improvements, and even enhance overall readability of a text, all in real time. These advanced software applications go beyond simple spell checks. They can analyze complex sentence structures, understand context, and adapt to different writing styles. This means that artificial intelligence, AI, can now efficiently perform many tasks that were previously reserved for human editors and copy editors. By combining the accuracy of AI with the finesse and creativity of human editors, the industry can progress to meet the demands of an ever-changing digital landscape. Number 4. Market research analysts. AI-driven data analytics tools can gather and process large amounts of information, providing valuable insights for marketing strategies. The demand for traditional market research analysts may decrease as AI becomes proficient in interpreting complex data. Number 3. Legal assistance. Advanced AI algorithms can perform tasks like contract review and legal research, potentially replacing traditional legal support roles. Legal assistants must embrace AI technology and develop specialized skills to complement AI-powered tools. Number 2. Financial managers and tax preparers face the increasing presence of artificial intelligence in finance. Advanced financial advisory robots provide personalized investment advice, while smart algorithms analyze tax regulations with astonishing accuracy. They need to differentiate themselves by providing specialized services or combining AI and human expertise. The challenge is to balance leveraging AI capabilities while maintaining valued human interaction. These industries must evolve or risk becoming outdated in a rapidly changing world. Number 1. New software developers face the rise of AI technology. AI-equipped tools like ChatGPT generate code, suggest improvements, and handle complex tasks. New software developers must maintain relevance by specializing in niche programming languages, understanding advanced AI algorithms, or working on complex projects. AI doesn't mean the demise of human creativity. It offers opportunities for growth. Embrace change, learn new skills, and harness the potential of AI to advance your career. Leave a comment with 100 if you've watched the entire video. Watch the suggested video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.